Welcome to MySchool training. In this tutorial, we will be looking into how you can add a point system to your admissions workflow, allowing your team to classify potential applicants for waitlisting or capacity threshold. Points are added to a workflow and need to be included as a question in either an internal or external form. They are shown on the applicant list view and for each applicant. They are also shown on your waitlisted student list. You can control the point types and values using your admissions configuration panel. In the third column, open the admissions point slide over. The system will come with default types. You can delete or edit these to match your needs. If you want to add more, use the Add button at the bottom of the screen. Give it a clear name and a description. The description is for internal use only. Of course, don't forget to add a point value. To be able to use the points, we need to add them to a form, which we'll use in a workflow. Let's open a form to see how to do this. You can find the points that have been assigned to the workflow in the applicant's other section of a form builder. Add a line and add the admissions points allocation field. If you are using multiple points, then you can add this field type as many times as you need. Click on the cog icon to configure the points field. Choose the point you wish to add from the drop-down list available. The title needs to be changed in the form of a question. The submitter only has one answer to check on the form side. Once you added the title, you can now add the option. Put any numeric value in the first box, then the positive reply to your question. When either the submitter or the admissions team member checks this box on the form, the number of points are assigned to the candidate. You can check out the preview of the form to see how it looks. We need to apply this new point type system to a workflow as well. Open the workflow from the configuration panel. In this example, we're going to show how a submitting guardian can reply to the points questions via their application form. The admissions team can see the points tally in the applicant list view. They can click on the applicant for more details. You can also ask points in an internal form and leave the control entirely with the admissions team should you choose. As explained, the points can help manage your waitlisted applicants. If the status is set to waitlist, it will show the candidates with associated filters and their point. The admissions team can now make a decision based on points attributed. Please reach out to your CSM or our support team for further assistance in setting up a point system for your admissions workflow.